My friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Dan the Man, and it's time to DIY. We're gonna do some flavor tests. I've found that Nicotine River has some of their own concentrates. We got Bliss, dragon fruit, then we have blue raspberry taffy, and blue raspberry. What should we do first? How about dragon fruit? Alright, this is the dragon fruit. It's been steeping a month. Exactly a month today. Alright, let's give it a go, shall we? Yeah, somewhat funky. It tastes funky. I think maybe 3%, it might be a little high. So what I'll do is I'll add some to that, drop it down to 2%, and we'll come back to it. Better. Still needs to be dropped. Alright, let's go with 1%. Okay, much better. Much better. It's a different type of dragon fruit, though. It's not... It doesn't have that same flavor. I don't know. It's there. It's just not as up front. The dragon fruit's not bad. It needs help. So personally, you know what? Let's try it with Flavor Art. Let's mix it with Flavor Art and Nicotine River together. Both dragon fruit. Because it does need help, and we need to add something to it to help it out. Yes. Yes. Okay, so if I was going to use this in a recipe, okay, you know what? Let's say this. If I was going to use it as a single flavor, obviously I can't because I don't particularly like it as a single flavor, but so personally, if I was going to do this as a single flavor, I would do 2% FA, 1%, I don't even know what we're going to do with that. Nicotine River, so NR. So, hey, okay, that's the dragon fruit. Okay, it's time for Bliss. Shit. Bliss. Looks like a vanilla ice cream. Let's give it a go. Whoa. Oh my god. That's good. Weird. It's very interesting. God. It's very ice cream forward. Like, and I don't mean the creaminess, but the taste of creaminess. Do you see the difference? I think it needs I need to drop it down to 2%. All right, 2% didn't work. Dropped it down to 1. 2% is not bad. I'd say 1.5% if you're gonna do a single flavor. So, you know, in a recipe, 1% and below. Depending on what you want to do with it, of course. It tastes like vanilla ice cream, y'all. Like vanilla ice cream, like almost too much. It's interesting. I'm not entirely sure what I think about that flavor yet. I think I need to play with it some, but it's a couple recipes, and I think it'll be good. It's definitely worth a try. I mean, I'd get it. Shit, I don't remember which one's which. All right, whatever. Okay, let's try Blue Raz Taffy, shall we? Okay. Yeah, that's a good Blue Raz. And it's a taffy, so, you know, it's a candy. A candy. That's probably... That's good. Let's do it. Let's put a little more on there. Nice. That's at 3%, and dudes, I like it. Okay, so far, I'm gonna step out on a limb and say that this has got to be one of my favorite Blue Raz candy type vapes. Okay, not a regular Blue Raz, but Blue Raz candy or taffy or sour, right? It's got a really good candy flavor. Most of the time, I don't like the candies. I don't know why, but this, I like it, y'all. Good one. If you like Blue Raz and you're looking for a Blue Raz recipe, pick it up. Give it a go. I think you're going to like it. Okay, now let's just try regular old Blue Raz, shall we? Yeah, another good one. That's good. I admit that I like the Blue Raz Taffy better, but they're both fabulous. Pretty much the Blue Raz is a little bit weaker than the Blue Raz Taffy. In the Raz part, whatever that means, right? Yeah, awesome. Okay, yeah, that's good at 3%. Okay, concentrates by Nick River. They're called Aroma Flavor. Let's see if I can get it in there. Aroma Flavor. Oh, there it goes. There it is. See it? Aroma Flavor. Yeah, I recommend these ones. Even the dragon fruit, if mixed with another dragon fruit, is good. The Bliss is interesting. I wouldn't, if I could take it back, I wouldn't. I would keep it because I think I can make something with it. And I'm very impressed with the Blue Raspberry Taffy and the Blue Raspberry. Again, these were inexpensive. 15 mil, right? For $1 something. Yeah, I'll leave links, my friends. I'll leave a link with my for my Blue Raspberry recipe, which is the bomb diggity. I have a friend that's all she vapes. Anyway, this is Dan the Man. Let's sign out. Peace.